Dito kami ngayon sa Seafood City. Gusto nyo, sari-sari. Ito na pamili ko. May nag-order kasi sa akin. Can I have 2 orders of this? Ano kukuha ng ano? Dami oh, dami oh. Ay.
Thank you so much, Seafood City, for letting us perform for you all tonight. And for everybody who gave us tips, this afternoon, maraming
Anong sauce nito? Saan ang sauce?
Siguro parang gusto niya mga friends nila at alright, also we would like to thank our jammers and singers, Quinn, MJ, Gina,
Gawin mo na ng anim.
thank you so much. Of course, once again, Chris, our pianist, Carol, our other vocalist, and
Anong sauce no?
yours truly, Karen. Thank you so much. See you again next time, guys. Every day is open mic day. They have this karaoke every Saturday. There is special guest musicians every Saturday for there. And of course, our Filipino street food there in the back every Saturday. Thank you so much once again. Enjoy the rest of your day and be safe always. Maraming salamat.
Pwede bang humingi ng pambalot?
So,
Ay, sorry.